Erin is not expected to make landfall in the U.S., but it will pass close by tomorrow or Thursday. And in parts of the Carolinas, evacuations have been ordered along the coast ahead of any possible flooding, and the hurricane could cause some rough surf. And that's up and down the East Coast, potentially right here in New Hampshire, too. Haley, you are watching that for any potential close impacts this storm could bring.
Yes, we've been watching this storm go through a couple different cycles over the last 24 hours or so, actually weakening a little bit. Still a strong Category 2 hurricane. 24 hours ago, though, it was a Category 4. It is strong with winds up over 100 miles per hour right now, especially in this eye wall that has been resurging again. You can see these purple colors here. That's where you get the strongest winds. I'll put the latest track on this, and it is going to continue to be a Category 2 hurricane as it makes its closest pass to the outer banks of North Carolina by Thursday at 2 p.m. Then for us, it'll be a couple hundred miles off the coast here, but by Friday afternoon, it will make its closest pass. And this is when we actually could experience rough seas, some big waves out at the coastline, and also even breezy conditions out at the coast. So large waves at the immediate coast, dangerous rip current risk over the next couple of days and even into the weekend too, and rough seas for mariners. Speaking of the winds, by the time we get to about 2 o'clock on Friday, there could be some stronger wind gusts out toward Portsmouth, maybe approaching 30 miles per hour. Not damaging wind gusts, but definitely a breeze that you will notice. Now, we've got some changes coming to the forecast, not from this storm, but from some rain that we'll be seeing. We need some rain. We'll bring in meteorologist Mike Haddad now, who has more on when we could see some of this much needed rain. Mike.
We certainly could, Haley. No question about that, right? The drought underway right now along the coastline and the Mount Washington Valley. Abnormally dry weather elsewhere, including Center Harbor, where the clouds are in, but no rain is falling at the present time. Showers are beginning to work on in. Again, there's another look at Erin turning off to our south. Again, we're not going to get any rain from that particular system. It's all coming in from this front, darting in from the Great Lakes in towards New England. Some of the showers quite steady. We'll zoom in on them anywhere from just south of Ottawa through Toronto, Buffalo, and around Cleveland. And as they approach, they'll start to throw a few raindrops in through the upper valley after midnight tonight. Ahead of it, temps are running a little bit below the norm, and tomorrow even cooler than it is right now. Look at Laconia hour by hour only, topping off in the 60s. A couple of showers, steadiest of the rain in the southern part of the state. So when do we brighten up and warm up? We'll take a look at all of that in the extended outlook coming up.
And you can track those shower chances here in New Hampshire and stay up to date on all things Hurricane Erin right now at WMUR.com or right inside the WMUR app.